If your budgie is a bit too much in your face, then it's probably time for a new toy. It all started with this old nylon rope, and this is what we made. And now if you watch further, you'll see how much fun we had and all the magic tricks we had to do to make it. We gathered lots of small bits that are safe for birds, like cardboard or shells, stone, cork. There's a sunflower stem as well, and a bottle top. And I first pierced a little hole through them, but they were too small, so I ended up using a Phillips screwdriver to make the holes a lot bigger. It was easy though, and I could almost do it single-handed. Now for the next step, you decide on your design. I wanted them to be a little bit for foraging, and now, okay, first part of the magic trick coming. It's done. Okay, and I think you probably don't believe me, so here is a proper magic trick. Okay, disappearing coin, you got it. And now I had to do a little bit of pyromancy. So candle, and I burned the ends of the nylon rope. And the other one. Now magic again. Oh, traveling knots. Perfect. I think it looks good. And now let's see if the bird thinks it's fun. Okay. Checking safety first. The knot seems safe. And now, okay, individual parts, fine. It's fine.